Jamaica
many
watch
online
this.
and elsewhere also vilifying this security guard who says his life is now in danger.
That's why I'm even glad to say this search come this morning. Because I tell my wife, I say, me not go on no search because I don't know who might thought if my life in a danger. My life can in danger same way because people say me look wicked. You can't just look on up. Better than say me ugly. Better than say me ugly. But not say me wicked. Because me da better for school over 400 pick me there. And you can everybody they might fight after me Mr. this. If you go better for school right now, ask them who name Mr. Thompson, you will see what happen. Me not have nothing. Let me tell you something, man. You would know. Jayden, I know my son, but me love Jayden equally just like them are. Because Jayden is dutiful. You think say, we can't outside so watch one Saturday man and ask Jayden to come? Anti-parliament, what you want me? Me say, go back in the house and go sit down. If not, left him and did it with we. But if my son did that playing game, Jayden did it with we right along till we done.